In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. We are going to talk about an art which can be learnt by people of every age, every academic qualification, whether educated or uneducated, literate or illiterate. No condition, if at all somebody want to learn this art. It is such a beautiful art, such a beautiful art, such a useful, beneficial art that it has the ability, it has the potential, it has the power to change our life for better. It has the power to change our life for better. What is this art, by the way? Maulana Baiduddin Khan Rahmatullah Alayhi of India, who died recently, in the last at the last stage of his life, he said and wrote, out of all what I learnt, he was a great scholar. He was a great scholar, author of many, many valuable books. He wrote that out of all what I learnt, the most beautiful, the most useful thing was positive thinking. Positive thinking. What is this positive thinking, by the way? Whatever is being talked about, whatever is being thought about, whatever, no matter whatever is being thought about, no matter what is being talked about, take out a positive aspect, something positive out of it, something positive out of it. Positivity is more important than anything else. Be no matter what sort of negativity is being talked about. Always take out something positive out of a person, out of a person, out of a situation. It does not mean that we don't need to reform. It does not mean so at all. Not at the cost of reforms. Be positive. Take out something positive from every human being, from every sort of situation and circumstances, without compromising upon the reforms. The reforms are like much needed, much needed surgical operations, much needed. Reforms are like much needed medication. We need to become healthy. We need to become healthy. We need to become clean. All of that is possible only and only we are adamant to reform, reform, reform. Taking the positive aspect of each and everything will make us a different, a far better, a far happier human being. We will be liked and cherished. We will be liked and cherished by the people around. Because we will be happy on the one hand and we will be helping them become a happy human being on the other hand. Although there are people and there are enough number of people who have the ability, the nagging power of converting every good situation and circumstances into a bad one. They are having the habit of taking out the negativity out of each and every human being, out of each and everything. The negative aspect of it, taking out the negative aspect out of it. They have the power of it. They have the skill of it. They have the attitude like this one. This is actually attitudinal problem. Attitudinal problem. Be very much adamant, very much adamant, very much adamant to take the positivity out of everything, out of every situation, out of every aspect of your life. Something which is like the blood. It is the most important art ever. The most important art ever. This is an art having more and more and more positive effects upon our personality, upon our life than anything else. And this art can be learnt, can be adopted, can be practiced, irrespective of the age, education, social, socio-economic background, or anything else. Thank you.